In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up an assessment in Google Forms. Whether you're a teacher preparing a quiz, a trainer creating a skills test, or you simply want to automate grading to save yourself time, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open Google Forms in your browser and create your form. Once you're there, rename your form by clicking on the title area, and feel free to add a short description so your students or participants know exactly what the assessment is about. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Next, click on the settings icon at the top. Once this menu opens, scroll down until you see the defaults section. Here, you can adjust your form defaults and make sure responses are collected the way you want. This is helpful if you want consistent behavior across multiple assessments. Now, still inside the settings window, look for the option that says make this a quiz and toggle it on. Turning this on enables automatic grading, point values, answer keys, and instant feedback, everything you need for a proper assessment. Google Forms will now treat your form as a quiz, giving you access to all the scoring features. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure you decide whether respondents can see missed questions, correct answers, or their scores immediately. Adjusting these preferences beforehand prevents confusion and ensures your assessment runs smoothly from start to finish. Once you've completed the settings, head back to the Questions tab. Now create your first question. Add your question text, choose the question type, and then click on Answer Key. Here, you'll select the correct answer and assign the number of points for that question. This is where the grading magic happens. After selecting the correct response, toggle on Required so participants can't skip the question. Repeat this process for each question until your full assessment is ready. When everything looks good, click Publish or simply copy your form link from the Send button. Share the link with your students or participants, and they'll be able to complete the assessment with automatic grading already in place. It's also a good idea to preview the form once before sending it out. This extra step helps you confirm that the scoring, layout, and questions appear exactly the way you want. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to set up an assessment in Google Forms easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?